Yeah.
Gear up.
Shaun, you were supposed to hit his truck to make a really good video.
Not with this airplane.
You ain't talking about my truck.
Only Eddie's allowed to do that.
Yeah, I still got the mark.
Usually they do it when you're trying to fly. I hope those kids' batteries don't run out. You can't do anything about it.
Can't take the brush over that. I don't got no tail wheel on this either. Just the rim.
Is that electric?
Greg, yeah.
Yeah. He's pretty good flyer. Still top
Now,
of his
how
lane.
could you make a motor do that?
This is like a car. A little windier up there.
That thing would hover face down. The biters are out. Just got bit. Yeah, they got me yesterday too.
You'll see them till they bite you, then you see them.
Yeah.
Well, I was sweating so much from flying that I'm sure they're staying away from me.
That's what they're going for.
I don't know.